If you're watching this video, you're probably someone who wants to get a foot in the door in quantity surveying, but has no idea where to start to best maximize your chances of securing a position. If this sounds familiar, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 practical tips to help improve your chances of obtaining a quantity surveying apprenticeship in 2026. Before we begin, please consider subscribing. It really does help us grow and keeps you informed when we upload new content. So let's get started. Tip 1. Understand what employers actually want. This sounds obvious, but most candidates still get it wrong. Employers are not expecting you to be a finished quantity surveyor. They're not expecting you to know NEC inside and out. What they're looking for is potential. They want someone who understands what a quantity surveyor actually does, shows commercial awareness, can communicate clearly, and has the right attitude to learn. So before you apply, make sure you can confidently explain what a quantity surveyor does day to day, why commercial management matters on a project, why you've chosen quantity surveying specifically and not just construction in general. If you can't articulate that clearly, you'll struggle at interview. One way you can scratch up on quantity surveying knowledge is to download our app. It's called Metroun QS and is available on the App Store and Google's Play Store. Follow the link below and gain access to over 55 hours of courses relating to the wonderful world of quantity surveying. Tip 2. Stop using generic CVs and cover letters. This is where most applications fall down. If your CV and cover letter could be sent to a civil engineering firm, an architecture practice, and a QS consultancy without changing a word, it's not good enough. Your application needs to be tailored. That means referencing the company's projects, explaining why you want to work there, not just anywhere, linking your skills and experience back to quantity surveying. Even if your experience is limited, you can still demonstrate transferable skills from retail, hospitality, site labouring or admin roles. Employers can spot copy and paste applications a mile off. Tip 3. Get exposure into the industry early. One of the biggest differentiators we see is early exposure. This could be work experience with a contractor or consultancy, site visits, shadowing a quantity surveyor, or online learning focused on commercial management and contracts. Even basic exposure shows commitment. It tells an employer you're serious about the profession and not just applying because an apprenticeship sounds like a good option. If 2 candidates are equal academically, the one who's already taken steps to understand the industry will win every time. Tip 4. Prepare properly for interviews. Most candidates massively underestimate interview prep. You should be ready to answer questions like why quantity surveying, why this company, what skills make you suitable for the role, and what you understand about contracts, cost, and risk. You don't need technical depth, but you do need clarity. Practice answering out loud. Record yourself if needed, and get feedback. Confidence comes from preparation, not just winging it on the day. Tip 5. Think long-term, not just about getting in. Finally, employers are investing in you for the long haul. They want to see ambition and direction. That might be progressing through your apprenticeship and degree, working towards chartership, and developing commercially and professionally over time. You don't need a perfect 5-year plan, but you should be able to show that you've thought beyond getting the job. That mindset really matters in 2026. Final thoughts. Securing a quantity surveying apprenticeship isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's about preparation, clarity, and commitment. If you focus on understanding the role, tailoring your applications, gaining exposure, preparing properly, and thinking long-term, you put yourself miles ahead of the average applicant. If you found this video useful, please give it a like. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.